going on adventures every way. Trash Truck Kitty is his longtime friend. It's a love that'll never end. By their side is the fearless T, the greatest trio you ever did will see. Traveling across the USA in their US mail van, heading to LA. They're Billy, Tippy, Tippy, Tippet, coming to a dirty town near you, taking care of business, oh so true. Billy, Kitty, Tippy, Tip, they call me Billy, Kitty, Tippy, Tippy, Tip, Timmy. Quit fussing, Tippy, Tippy, Tip, Billy, Kitty, Tippy, Tippy, Tip, quit fighting. Time went on and Tibby moved away. Kitty met a girl in old LA. Billy lived a peaceful life eating trash, till one day he woke up with a rash. He knew his fate was to stay instead, but a bigger journey lied ahead. He said goodbye, farewell my friends, then got on a US mail truck. They're back again. They're Billy, Tippy, 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 coming to a dirty town near you, taking care of business, oh so true. Billy, Kitty, Tippy, Tip, they call me Billy, Kitty, Tippy, Tippy, Tip, Timmy. Quit fussing, Billy, Kitty, Tippy, Tippy, Tip, quit fighting. They're Billy, Kitty, Tippy, 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 coming to a